quite hot over here. This is 33 meters tall. This is Shiva in the world in Kotilingeshwara Temple in Kolar district in Karnataka. The 100 kilometers from Bangalore. 99 lakhs of Shivlingas which you can see here. Koti means 1 crore. So there has to be 1 crore Shivlingas over here. This is Wanderlust Travel Diaries.
We have just arrived at Kotilingeshwara Temple and the energy here is absolutely serene. The temple is famous for housing over 1 crore Shivlings. Yes, you heard it right, 1 crore. The temple was established in 1980 by Swamy Shiva Murthy and has grown into a massive spiritual site. The name Kotilingeshwara literally means 1 crore of lingas. It symbolizes the infinite nature of Lord Shiva, the destroyer and transformer in the Hindu Trinity. Name Kotilingeshwara comes from Koti, meaning crore, and Lingeshwara referring to Lord Shiva. The temple also features one of the tallest Shivlingas in the world, standing at 108 feet alongside a majestic 35 feet Nandi bull. Standing here surrounded by billions of Shivlings is a surreal experience. It is like stepping into a different realm, one where time slows down and all you feel is presence of something greater than yourself. The energy is powerful, calming and deeply moving. Standing here surrounded by millions of Shivlings is truly overwhelming. It's hard to describe the feeling. It's like being enveloped in divine energy. You feel small yet deeply connected to something vast and eternal. Visiting with family makes it even more special. Watching my loved ones offer prayers, light lamps and bow down before the lingas. It's a moment of surrender, of peace and of gratitude. You don't just visit Kotilingeshwara, you experience it. One important tip: come early in the morning. Temple floor is stone and by afternoon it really gets hot. Walking barefoot can be tough, especially for kids and elders, so plan your visit accordingly.
Kotilingeshwara Temple in Kolar district of Karnataka. Shivling. There are at least 90 lakhs of shivlings over here. So what you can see over here, this is the big Nandi at the Kotilingeshwara. This is 33 feet. They are going to make it 1 crore of shivlings. The Koti in Kannada means a crore. And if you see over here, we have at least 90 lakhs plus of shivlingas. So this is in Kolar district in Karnataka, around 100 kilometers from Bangalore. Yep. This is Wanderlust Travel Diaries.
The temple also features one of the tallest shivlings in the world, standing at 108 feet alongside a majestic 35 feet of Nandi bull. As we wrap up this divine day, we are leaving with our hearts full of peace and minds full of blessings. Kotilingeshwara Temple is not just a destination, it's a journey inward. If you are in Bangalore or anywhere nearby, make time for this experience. It's a reminder of the power of faith and the beauty of devotion. Thank you for joining on this spiritual journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more soulful travel stories. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya.